Hey guys, I'm Ganesh Revans and I'm pursuing B.Tech in CSC in PES University, and in this video I'm gonna give you a whole campus tour of PES-EC Campus. So let's get straight into it. As you can see here, this is the entrance of PES University EC Campus, and I'm gonna walk you through the whole campus, showing you bits and pieces of the whole campus. So the ground which is on the left side, as soon as we enter, this is the football ground which lies on the left side as soon as we enter the main gate. So as you can see, this is the path towards the main block. And the ground in front of us is the cricket ground of EC Campus. This is so huge and this is so good. So as you can see, this is the cricket ground of PES University EC Campus. So let's go towards the main block and let's see what's all in there in the campus. So they have shown there are like 50 plus clubs in this PES University campus, and actually when compared to our own campus, which is RR campus, the main campus of PES University, this campus has a lush green campus, and this is so much better than the main campus, other than placements, I suppose. Board here reads over 30 crores in merit scholarships given to students, which is obviously, so true. So this is how the main block starts. These buildings look so good, and these are exceptional in looking when compared to the main campus, which is our campus. So I'll walk you through the main building, the pixel block which you can see, which is right next to the main block. Totally in this campus there is a basketball ground, and there's one food court for the whole campus, and the boys hostel is inside the campus, and there is a MRD auditorium. This is the main block of PES University EC Campus. So this is how it looks from inside the main block. This is pretty good when compared to PES University RR campus. So here we are seeing the whole big building, which is the main building of the main block of PES University EC Campus, where the classes take place. This is another view. This is a top view of this large building. So as you can see, this is the cafeteria which is in the EC Campus main block. This is pretty neat. As you can see, the food court looks pretty neat, and the view from up here is also cool. And the block which you are seeing in front of you is called as the pixel block, where MBA, BBA classes take place. I'm going to walk you through that building also. Since we haven't got the permission to go to the classrooms, I can't show you the classrooms of a pixel block. As you can see, there's an artistic structure in front of the pixel block to make it look cool. Basically, there are two blocks in the pixel park, A and B. So this is the A block. A and B looks very similar. So I'm gonna show you the A block. And this is the PESU IMSR building, which is the medical building of PES University. Is gonna get unveiled by 2 years from now. As you can see, this is the basketball ground, which is right next to the pixel park. I'm gonna walk you through the food court of PES University EC Campus. The building in front of you is the food court of the EC Campus. Just in front of it, there is a basketball court. This is inside the food court. They have so many options of food. Here you can see the options they have, the kind of options, so many options to eat in here. And let's move towards the MRD Student Center and the hostel. This is some artistic wall in front of us. Is of no use, but still it makes the campus look good, so it's fine. So as you can see, this is the MRD Student Center, which is the best building in this whole campus. So the best part of the boys hostel inside the EC campus is they have a PES food buzz. As you can see, that sounds very cool. Let's go inside the PES University Boys Hostel, and I'm gonna show you one of the rooms of this hostel building so that you can get an idea about how the rooms are inside the hostel building. So this is how it looks inside the hostel building. So this is how the rooms look in this hostel building. So I'll guide you through this humongous building of EC Campus, which is the MRD student block, which sounds crazy, and this block is totally crazy. So I'm gonna show you a whole other view of this whole auditorium. This is how it looks.
Chicken roll, egg roll, chicken egg roll, chili chicken, chicken 65, pepper chicken, lemon garlic,